हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलो हम कूलम्ब्स लॉ के बारे में और डिस्कस करते हैं। अभी हमने जो पहले देखा था F इज इक्वल टू के Q1 Q2 अपॉन आर स्क्वेयर, ये एक स्केलर it was the representation of only magnitude part of the Coulomb's law. Since we know that force is a vector quantity, so we have to represent its electrostatic force in terms of a vector quantity. How can we represent this? For the vector representation, we need a magnitude as well as unit vector. Magnitude already we know, and the unit vector is represented in such a way, unit cap vector, that earlier in a grade 11 you have studied the vector representation. Up the most important thing comes here. Q1 is a scalar quantity, Q2 is a scalar quantity, but R square, this is a displacement or the distance. Only this R can be a vector here. So only this R can be represented, can be used to represent the vector representation of an electrostatic force. As you all know that R cap, why we have written R cap? Because this all three is a scalar quantity. R cap is a unit vector having a magnitude 1 and having the same direction as of force. It may be represented as R vector divided by magnitude of R. Magnitude of F vector, R vector, mod R or R square. Mod R means magnitude, so this will become R cube. R vector having the same magnitude as R and having the same direction as F. This is the vectorial notation of the formula of a Coulomb's force or the electrostatic force. आगे वाले वीडियोस में हम देखेंगे geometrical representation of this vector formula of Coulomb's. So keep watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like. Thank you.